Hi guys, how are you doing? I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on our multi-dimensional block lattice structure as well as our wallet in Explorer. So this is a sneak preview before we launch our testnet to the public. So if you go to the wallet website, you'll get the screen and you will need to create your wallet first. So let's create wallet and you'll get this reminder to save your monomic phase. This is no joke, guys. Save the wallet seed as well as the monomic phase. We've heard from so many people telling us that they've lost it, and there's really nothing that we can do if you don't have these two items. So click copy and keep it somewhere safe, multiple places even. Right, now moving on, click I have saved my seed and monomic phase and set up your wallet and password, and you're done setting up your account. So since I have set my wallet up, I'm going to switch to my account real quick so I can show you how the transactions work. So to send tokens, you have to click send and put the account you want to transfer to. You can also select the token as well as determine the amount that you want to transfer. To receive tokens, you can go to receive and you can find your pending transactions and click receive, and that's it. Go back to your accounts page and you can see all your tokens there. Now if you click the account, you can see all your transaction history here. Let's take a look at our Explorer. In the Explorer, you'll be able to find all the transaction history, accounts created, and tokens. You can also search for a specific wallet address and see the transaction history there. And that's it. Let us know what you think of our wallet and Explorer on our Reddit, which I will link below, or you can tweet at QLC Chain. Have a great weekend, guys. Bye!